Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the wild to uncover the 5 deadliest animals on Earth. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the jungle, we'll be exploring the fascinating and sometimes frightening world of nature's most lethal predators. These creatures may be small or large, beautiful or bizarre, but they all share one thing in common: a deadly potential that demands our respect. Stay tuned to find out which creatures you should definitely avoid. Lurking in the turquoise waters of the Indo-Pacific, the box jellyfish is a creature of exquisite beauty and deadly paradox. Its translucent bell, adorned with trailing tentacles, belies the potent venom it possesses. Unlike its more commonly known cousins, the box jellyfish is an active hunter, propelled by pulsating contractions of its bell. Its tentacles, armed with millions of stinging cells, deliver a venom so toxic that it can cause heart failure within minutes. The venom attacks not only the heart but also the nervous system, leading to excruciating pain and paralysis. The unlucky few who survive an encounter often bear the scars of this encounter for a lifetime. Its bell, unlike the more familiar dome-shaped jellyfish, is box-shaped, with clusters of eyes that give it a surprisingly developed sense of vision. This, combined with its agility, makes it a formidable predator in the marine environment. While encounters with humans are relatively rare, they serve as a stark reminder of the power of nature's defenses. So, while exploring the warm waters of the Indo-Pacific, remember to keep a watchful eye out for this silent and deadly hunter. In the murky depths of rivers and estuaries across Southeast Asia and Australia lurks a creature that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years: the saltwater crocodile. As the largest living reptile, it is a true apex predator, capable of bringing down prey many times its own size. Its armored body, a mosaic of olive green and gray scales, provides effective camouflage in the water, allowing it to launch surprise attacks with devastating speed. The saltwater crocodile's most formidable weapon is its bite. With a force of over 3,700 pounds per square inch, the strongest bite force ever recorded in the animal kingdom, it can easily crush bone and drag its prey underwater. While often associated with freshwater habitats, the saltwater crocodile is equally at home in the open ocean, using ocean currents to travel vast distances. This has allowed it to colonize a wide range of habitats, from mangrove swamps to coral reefs. Despite their fearsome reputation, saltwater crocodiles are surprisingly attentive parents, guarding their nests fiercely, and even carrying their hatchlings in their mouths. However, their predatory instincts should never be underestimated. Encounters with humans are not uncommon and often result in tragedy. So when venturing into crocodile territory, remember to be vigilant, respect their space, and marvel at the raw power of these ancient predators. Roaming the savannas and forests of Africa, the African elephant is a symbol of strength, intelligence, and family bonds. These gentle giants, with their towering size and graceful movements, evoke a sense of awe and wonder. However, it's important to remember that beneath their seemingly placid exterior lies a powerful animal capable of inflicting serious harm if threatened. African elephants are highly social animals, living in matriarchal herds led by an experienced female known as the matriarch. These herds can number in the dozens, with females and their young forming close-knit bonds. While generally peaceful, elephants can become aggressive if they feel threatened, especially if their young are in danger. An elephant's size and strength make it a formidable opponent, and even a seemingly playful gesture can have unintended consequences. The most common cause of elephant-related fatalities is trampling, often accidental but sometimes deliberate if the animal feels threatened. It's crucial to remember that elephants, like all wild animals, deserve our respect and space. Observing them from a safe distance allows us to appreciate their majesty without putting ourselves or these magnificent creatures at risk. It may come as a surprise, but the deadliest animal on Earth isn't a fearsome predator with sharp claws or venomous fangs. It's a tiny insect that often goes unnoticed until it's too late: the mosquito. While mosquitoes themselves are not inherently deadly, they act as vectors, transmitting a variety of deadly diseases to humans. Malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever. These are just a few of the diseases carried by these tiny terrors, claiming millions of lives each year, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. The mosquito's ability to spread disease lies in its feeding habits. Female mosquitoes require a blood meal to develop their eggs. When they bite an infected person or animal, They pick up the disease-causing pathogens along with the blood. These pathogens then multiply inside the mosquito and are transmitted to the next person or animal it bites, perpetuating the cycle of infection. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent the spread of these diseases are ongoing, but the fight is far from over. So, while a single mosquito bite may seem like a minor annoyance, it's important to remember that these tiny creatures pose a significant threat to human health on a global scale. In the vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, a dazzling array of colors adorns the forest floor. But amidst this kaleidoscope of life, beauty can be deadly, as exemplified by the poison dart frog. These small, brightly colored frogs are a sight to behold, their skin a canvas of vibrant hues: scarlet, gold, azure, emerald. But these brilliant colors serve as a warning, a signal to predators that these frogs are not to be trifled with. The poison dart frog's skin secretes a potent toxin that can cause paralysis and death in a matter of minutes. The toxin, a complex cocktail of alkaloids, disrupts the nervous system, leading to muscle spasms, respiratory failure, and eventually, cardiac arrest. Interestingly, the poison dart frog's toxicity is not innate, but rather acquired through its diet. These frogs sequester toxins from the ants, mites, and other small invertebrates they consume, storing them in their skin glands. Indigenous tribes have long recognized the lethal potential of these toxins, using them to coat the tips of blow darts for hunting. The frog's poison, carefully extracted and applied, provided a silent and effective means of taking down prey. While the poison dart frog's beauty may be alluring, it's a stark reminder that in the natural world, appearances can be deceiving, and even the smallest creatures can possess extraordinary defenses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. We've journeyed across continents, from the ocean depths to the rainforest floor, encountering some of nature's most lethal predators. Remember, while these creatures may inspire fear, they also deserve our respect. Understanding their role in the intricate web of life allows us to appreciate the delicate balance of nature and the importance of conservation. Stay safe and see you next time.